Hello viewers, welcome to Central Guest House, Panchagor. There are many facilities for you. Facilities are free Wi-Fi, free parking, free breakfast, air conditioning, 24 hours room service, restaurant, swimming pool, etc. Reception. AC single room, non-AC single room, AC double room, non-AC double room, VIP suite, swimming pool. Central Guest House, Panchagor, courtesied by porjotanbd.com, a website of Porjotanbd Tours and Travels. Contact for reservation 01705858588, 01776467789. Photography Nahid Akhtar, videography Sabiba Ali, voice Shathi Bonik, porjotanbd.com. Thanks for watching.